In this video, we're going to be talking about how to redeem a gift card or coupon code in Agoda. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open the application. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and allow your location. Click on Got It right over here, and you're going to be taken to this page. Now, there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do so. First, you need to log in. So simply go ahead and do so. I'm just going to go ahead and log in using my Google account. You can go ahead and do any of these. And finally, once you've selected your account, you're going to be logged in. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on your profile icon on the bottom of your screen right over here. And then you can simply go ahead and head to the coupons tab right over here, and then enter your promo code right over here and redeem it. The second way you can go ahead and do so is by adding a trip to your cart and checking out. On the checkout screen, simply go ahead and select a gift card as your payment method and redeem it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below.